In this video, I'll show you how to forward messages on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. If for any reasons you want to forward messages, let's say to your friends, to anyone you want to forward on Telegram, right? What you're going to do right now, right click on the message. So this is a message I want to forward, right? Right click on the message, your mouse. You're going to see the forward option, right? Click on it. So right here, you can be able to see how many people you can forward the message to. So I can click on this, right, for the message to be forwarded to. I think there was a group, there was a group I created, right? So you can see it right here, forward message. You can decide to show sender's name, to hide sender's name, to forward another chat, to not forward. So this is how you can forward messages on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please share it out below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.